Mr. Bobby. Hi friends, it's me, Mr. Bobby, the tiger. Roar. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about animals, their sounds, and some fun songs and rhymes. Are you ready to explore with me?
Yippee!
Yay! Let's go. Look at my cool plane. We're going to fly to different places to meet lots of animals. Let's hop in and get started. Here we go. First stop, the farm. Look, friends, we're at the farm. Let's meet some farm animals and learn their sounds. I see 3 beautiful chests here. Let's open them and see what's inside. Which one should we open first? Let's try this one. It's a pig. Can you say pig? Great. What sound does a pig make? Yes, a pig says oink, oink. Very funny. Let's open the second chest. It's a horse. Can you say horse? Awesome, guys. What sound does a horse make? That's right. A horse says neigh, neigh. Let's open the third chest together. It's a dog. Can you say dog? Perfect. What sound does a dog make? Yes, a dog says woof, woof. Let's play a balloon pop game. Each balloon has a farm animal inside. Let's pop them and see who we find. Let's start. Which balloon should we pop first? Let's pop this one. There is nothing. Let's pop the second balloon. It's a cat. Can you say cat? Great. What sound does a cat make? Yes, a cat says meow. Meow. Great. Let's move on. The next balloon will be this one. There are no animals here. Let's move on. No, again. And the last balloon. Let's get together. It's a sheep. Can you say sheep? Awesome. What sound does a sheep make? That's right. A sheep says ba ba. Let's sing a fun song about the farm animals we just met. Ready? Let's go.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-O. A meow here and a meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-O.
That was so much fun at the farm. Now let's hop back into our plane and fly to the safari to meet some wild animals. Ready? Here we go. Next stop, safari. Look, friends, we're on a safari. Let's meet some wild animals and learn their sounds. I see some trees with leaves we can shake. Let's shake them to find the animals hidden inside. Which tree should we shake first? Let's shake this one. It's a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Great! Giraffes have long necks. What sound does a giraffe make? Giraffes are usually quiet, but they can hum. Okay, next tree. It's a lion. Can you say lion? Awesome. What sound does a lion make? Yes, a lion says roar, roar. Let's shake together the last tree. It's a rhino. Can you say rhino? Perfect. Rhinos are big and strong. What sound does a rhino make? Rhinos can grunt and snort. Let's play a game. I'll show you 5 animals, and you tell me which one is the lion. Ready? Which one is the lion? Yes, that's right. The lion is in the middle. Great job. The safari was amazing. Now let's hop back into our plane and fly to the ocean to meet some sea creatures. Ready? Here we go. Next stop, SeaWorld. I see some treasure chests underwater. Let's open them and see what we find. Which one should we open first? Let's open this one. It's a whale. Can you say whale? Great. Whales are huge. What sound does a whale make? Whales sing beautiful songs. Open the second chest. It's a dolphin. Can you say dolphin? Awesome. What sound does a dolphin make? Yes, dolphins make clicking and whistling sounds. Open the third chest. It's a turtle. Can you say turtle? Perfect. Turtles are slow and steady. What sound does a turtle make? Turtles can make hissing sounds. Let's play another game. I'll show you 5 sea animals, and you tell me which one is the dolphin. Ready? Which one is the dolphin? Yes, that's right. The dolphin is in the middle. Great job. The ocean was so much fun. Now, let's hop back into our plane and fly to the sky to meet some birds. Ready? Here we go. The next stop in the sky. Look, friends, we're in the sky. Let's meet some beautiful birds. I see some nests with eggs. Let's peek inside and see what birds we find. Which nest should we check first? Let's check this one. It's a penguin. Can you say penguin? Great. Penguins waddle when they walk. What sound does a penguin make? Penguins make honking and braying sounds. Okay, let's check the second nest. It's an eagle. Can you say eagle? Awesome. What sound does an eagle make? Yes, eagles make high-pitched screeching sounds. Let's check the third nest. It's an owl. Can you say owl? Perfect. What sound does an owl make? That's right, an owl says. Hoot, hoot. Let's play another game. I'll show you 3 birds, and you tell me which one is the owl. Ready? Let's go. Which one is the owl? Yes, that's right. The owl is in the middle. Great job. That was amazing meeting all those birds. Now, let's hop back into our plane and fly to the jungle to meet some more animals. Ready? Here we go. Next stop, meeting jungle animals. Look, friends, we're in the jungle. Let's meet some animals that live here. I see some bushes we can rustle. Let's rustle them to find the animals hidden inside. Which bush should we rustle first? Let's rustle this one. It's a kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Great. Kangaroos hop on their strong legs. What sound does a kangaroo make? Kangaroos make grunting and coughing sounds. Okay, the second bush. It's a hippo. Can you say hippo? Awesome. What sound does a hippo make? Yes, hippos make deep grunting sounds. Okay, let's shake the last bush. It's a zebra. Can you say zebra? Perfect. What sound does a zebra make? Zebras make barking sounds. Let's play another game. I'll show you 5 jungle animals, and you tell me which one is the zebra. Ready? Let's go. Which one is the zebra? Yes, that's right. The zebra is in the middle. Great job. The jungle was so much fun. Now, let's hop back into our plane and fly to the Arctic to meet some cold weather animals. Ready? Here we go. Next up, meeting Arctic animals. Look, friends, we're in the Arctic. Let's meet some animals that live in the cold. I see some igloos we can open. Let's open them to find the animals hidden inside. Which igloo should we open first? Let's open this one. It's a seal. Can you say seal? Great. Seals are playful and love to swim. What sound does a seal make? Seals bark and clap. Okay, let's open the second igloo. It's a penguin. Can you say penguin? Awesome. Penguins waddle and slide on the ice. What sound does a penguin make? Penguins make honking and braying sounds. Okay, let's open the third igloo. It's a polar bear. Can you say polar bear? Perfect. Polar bears are big and strong. What sound does a polar bear make? Polar bears can growl and roar. Let's play another game. I'll show you 3 Arctic animals, and you tell me which one is the seal. Ready? Let's go. Which one is the seal? Yes, that's right. The seal is in the middle. Great job. Now let's get up and dance like our favorite Arctic animals. Follow along with me.
Let's bark like a seal, clap, clap, clap. Let's waddle like a penguin, slide, slide, slide. Let's growl like a polar bear, roar, roar, roar. And trot like an Arctic fox, hop, hop, hop. Let's bark like a seal, clap, clap, clap. Let's waddle like a penguin, slide, slide, slide. Let's growl like a polar bear, roar, roar, roar. And trot like an Arctic fox, hop, hop, hop.
Wow, friends, we had so much fun learning about animals today. Let's remember the animals we met. Cat, dog, pig, horse, giraffe, lion, rhino, hippo, zebra, whale, dolphin, turtle, penguin, eagle, owl, kangaroo, seal, polar bear. Great job, everyone! Now, it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. We had fun and learned so much today. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll meet another day.